Welcome back to another Motel Coach training video. Today, we're going to be diving into GuestPoint PMS, and we're going to be showing you a revenue management principle called shoulder dates and how they can dramatically affect your motel's revenue. We're at 97%. Either side of that, we've then got a drop off. This is a shoulder and this is a shoulder. Has already reached 97%. Now, it's great news. You've taken a lot of bookings for that 19th. There's a huge demand for those dates. But what you start to see is that you're getting a lot of requests for bookings on the Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You notice that the town has already fully sold out on the 19th of August. So every guest that wants to stay multiple nights is looking everywhere for accommodation. Unfortunately, because you've pre-sold the 19th of August, an invisible wall starts to build here, and people can no longer book. So what that means is that your Monday then starts to suffer. A few longer term bookings that wanted to check in on the Sunday also can't book. And a few people that were looking to book Tuesday through to Friday, Tuesday through to Thursday, there's a wall forming that's preventing a lot of guests that want to stay at your motel from staying. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not going to turn away guests that want to book a room. I would challenge you, as the manager, when you start to see dates where you're almost sold out, start to consider holding some of your rooms. You can either hold it out of service, or you can put a rate restriction on. You could say, I'm going to take a minimum of 2 nights on this booking. This gives you the power to select the bookings that you want. Don't get into the habit of just trying to sell out as soon as possible every time. You can make a lot more money by being selective. When demand is high at your motel, it's also high at every other motel in town, and you'll find that often all of the motels will sell out for shorter stays, and it leaves a lot of customers that are looking for more nights available. And those customers are going to be bringing in more profitability because you're not turning the room over with your housekeepers. We've covered shoulder dates in this video, and we've also talked a bit more widely about high occupancy dates and setting restrictions to try and maximize your motel's revenue. This is really what revenue management's about. It's about picking the right guest for your motel. You don't always want to sell out to the first guest that wants to book your rooms. That's everything I wanted to go through today. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're looking to get into motel management, or you just want to level up your current skills, check out the links in the description for Motel Management and GuestPoint PMS training.